Miniature trick-or-treat tutorial. Let's make a miniature working door. Pour 1/2 of your molds, filling to just the line and domed without going over. The resin will shrink a little as it cures, so be sure to fill all the way up, so you're not left with a void of empty space, but be careful not to spill over. Once the first half is cured, fill the second half to the top, being careful not to spill. Carefully place the first half on the second half, and press gently to lock the mold together. You'll see a bit of flashing, but shouldn't have any voids. Let the second half cure. When fully cured, demold and cut away any flashing. Repeat for the other shapes. We suggest doing each shape separately, as the flashing could have color bleeding between the decorations if done together. Carefully fill the lids. Be careful to only fill flat to the top. For details like individual candies or the pumpkin stem, we suggest filling each with UV resin and curring in between each color. For the door itself, fill each part to the top without going over with resin. Be sure to cover any slightly raised parts, like the door panels and hinges. When fully cured, demold. Use UV resin, paints, or Sharpies to color in your details. Use your paint or pen and brush lightly over the tops of the design. This dry brushes just the raised details for a textured effect. Do the same for the door and door frame to bring out the wood grain and details. Place the door in the door frame. Add superglue or UV resin to the door frame hinges. Make sure not to get any on the door parts. Place the hinge covers on top and cure let dry completely. Add UV resin or superglue to the outer frame and attach the frame cover piece. Attach any extras like knockers, the door handle, or sticker Halloween decorations. UV resin superglue the door, standing up onto the top flat piece of the doormat. This will act as the base to let the door stand on its own. Trick or treat.